What kind of car is that? Can you tell?
Looks like a Civic on the left. On the right, I'm not entirely sure. I can't tell from here. I can't see it.
Well, you see the smoke now. But.
Yeah. Oh, we'll see when it goes by. Wow. They'll be on YouTube.
On YouTube?
Yeah.
No, just send them to me.
They're videos.
Oh, you're not taking video?
Yeah, I'm taking a video.
FWD 7, FIP 6, AMP 5, FIS 4, and AMS lane 3 for your second and final round of qualifying. Racers, as soon as we call you up, please be ready. We want this event to go a lot faster. We are way behind schedule today. We do.
Set off the first light, the second light's gonna come on. The beams are like going like this, and then front back tire. Last time the Corrado was 600 something horsepower. They're spinning and they're hitting the rev limiter. But you can't shift, you have to stay in it even if you're spinning, because if you shift when you're spinning and you shift to the second gear, you bog because it's like you're free revving. The RPMs drop because you're still free, you know what I mean? So if you shift too early before you catch traction, you just gotta stay in it until you get traction, then shift to second. That's why it's popping so much. But